So upon taking this apart, I found this gasket. You can see there, it was ripped. They just put it back in like that. So there could have been some of the problem. This gasket was good. The cylinders don't look too bad. Nothing that you can really get your fingernail on. Same as this one. Not too bad. Probably just honed it out a little bit. Looks like this was blown up before. It's either pieces of wrist pin or something there that hit the head. This piston don't look too bad. Wrist pin for that one. Wrist pin. This piston here is the one that's cracked. I believe that ring is stuck too. That ring, the bottom ring right there. I think that's stuck too. Cylinder for, this is all the right hand side. Always mark your heads and your jugs, cylinders. You got to put them back the same way you got them. So anyways, kind of just threw everything back together. I'm going to price piston and rings for this. These here. Check the crank. I guess that piece of piston probably went down inside the base, so I'm not sure what to do about that. I'll have to maybe talk to one of my friends that knows a little bit more about this stuff than me and see what he thinks. But from what I'm told, side to side motion is okay. You don't want no up and down, and there's no up and down in that one. Spin this around. A little bit side to side, and then up and down to the crank. I think the crank is good, which is a plus. It's not completely shot. But anyways, that's how she goes. Buy old sleds and don't know what's wrong with them. They sat for 20 years. Sometimes there's stuff wrong with them. Sometimes there's not. This one here has quite a bit wrong with it. That's okay. I'll price piston and rings, and if it's too much, I'll just part it out. Or if I find another motor sometime, I'll just set it back behind the house. Another little view of the cylinders for you fellas. Anyways, that's all I got for the 440 TNT for now. If you liked my videos, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Cheers, everyone.